How to delete VPN settings from iPhone. You can remove VPN settings from your iPhone in just a few steps. Once deleted, your device will no longer connect to that VPN unless you re-add it. So first of all you have to do is open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once in there, scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Inside General, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the VPN and device management, sometimes just VPN. Now, once you tap on it, you will get to see all the installed VPNs in there. Now tap on the info icon next to the VPN you want to remove and tap Delete VPN and confirm. I do not have any VPN connected currently, but if you follow the process that I have just said, then it will definitely delete all the VPN easily. This will fully delete the VPN configuration and stop it from reconnecting. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.